Welcome to Prime Auto Insights, your go-to destination for the most thrilling and detailed car reviews. Today, we're taking an exclusive first look at the 2025 BMW X6, the SUV that blends bold coupe styling with luxury and high performance. But is this the best coupe SUV money can buy? Let's break it down. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest car reviews and automotive content. Drop a comment below and tell us, would you pick the BMW X6 over the Audi Q8 or Mercedes GLE Coupe? The 2025 BMW X6 continues to dominate the luxury coupe SUV market, bringing an even more refined and aggressive presence. BMW has updated the X6 with a sharper front-end design, featuring a larger kidney grille, sleek adaptive LED headlights, and redesigned air intakes that emphasize its sporty character. The M Sport package takes things even further, adding blacked-out exterior accents, larger intakes, and an aggressive stance. Around the sides, the sloping roofline is what truly defines the X6, giving it a sporty, coupe-like silhouette while maintaining the practicality of an SUV. The new 21-inch alloy wheels, sculpted bodywork, and flared wheel arches complete its dominant road presence. At the rear, sleek LED taillights, a sportier rear diffuser, and quad exhaust tips give the X6 an unmistakable high-performance vibe. Step inside, and the BMW X6 greets you with pure luxury and cutting-edge technology. The interior is crafted with premium materials, featuring high-quality leather, carbon fiber, and ambient lighting that enhance the futuristic feel. BMW's curved display setup, combining a 12.3-inch digital driver's display with a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen, brings a seamless and intuitive user experience. The new iDrive 8.5 system is packed with features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, gesture controls, and voice commands. The high-end Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, whether you're on a highway cruise or blasting your favorite playlist. The seats are not only sporty and well-bolstered, but also heated, ventilated, and available with massage functions. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 BMW X6 comes with multiple engine options, catering to different levels of thrill seekers. The base X6 xDrive 40i is powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six with 375 horsepower, providing smooth acceleration and excellent fuel efficiency. But if you want heart-pounding performance, the X6 M60i delivers 523 horsepower from its 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, launching this luxury SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. For those who demand track-ready performance, the X6M competition takes things to an extreme level. Producing an insane 617 horsepower, it comes with M-Tune suspension, aggressive aero, and a roaring exhaust that makes it one of the fastest SUVs on the road. The intelligent xDrive all-wheel drive system, combined with an adaptive air suspension, ensures superb handling while maintaining a comfortable ride. Safety is also a priority in the 2025 X6, with BM's Driving Assistance Pro package offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. This makes the X6 not only fast and stylish but also one of the safest luxury SUVs in its segment. The 2025 BMW X6 starts at around $75,000 for the xDrive 40i model, while the M60i pushes the price closer to $96,000. The high-performance X6M competition will demand over $120,000, putting it in the same league as performance SUVs like the Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT and Mercedes-AMG GLE 63 Coupe. So, is the 2025 BMW X6 the best coupe SUV on the market? With its striking design, luxurious tech-filled interior, and exhilarating performance, it certainly makes a strong case for itself. If you're looking for an SUV that delivers power, prestige, and practicality, the X6 remains a top contender in the segment. What do you think? Would you choose the X6 over its rivals? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe to Prime Auto Insights for more in-depth car reviews and comparisons. Stay tuned for more exciting automotive content.